Guys, welcome to my channel. So I am currently running late. I have a nail appointment and a lash appointment at 12 and it's already 12:05. That's why I'm out of breath, but we have to go, so let's go. I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a Okay, so guys, I ordered the jacket on Pindodo and it's not yet in. I'm supposed to wear it for the shoot, but the shoot is tomorrow, so I'm thinking of getting one of these jackets, but I like this one in front. It's way better. And yeah, so I think I'm going to get this one. But I like the yellow. It's the one that's behind, and I think it's short, like it's the right size of short. I don't know if that's English, but yeah. So I'll get the one in front, I think. I swear, when I saw this hairstyle on TikTok, I thought it was bomb, but I don't know, maybe I'm just not doing it right. I don't know, but I look lost. I'm finally back in my room, and these are the nails that I got. They're just simple and I love them. And my lashes, I actually wanted full lashes, but she ended up doing this, which is fine anyways, because I went to the place late. I think I reached around 12:20 something. She has like a tight schedule. Like after me there was someone was literally waiting for me to finish my lashes and my nails because I was late. Anyways, my birthday is coming up. This is my birth month, March. My birthday is on the 18th of March, but then I decided to like do a photo shoot. Guys, I'll be turning 22. I know, I think I feel old, you know, like 22 is just too much and I look small. Do I? I'll be turning 22 on the 18th of March and I decided to do a photo shoot. So the photo shoot is tomorrow actually. So that's why I decided to do my nails and some lashes so that I should look some cute. There's this pink dress that I bought and some pink heels. I wanted to do like a pink thing, but then I don't think I want to do pink anymore. Like I've fallen in love with green now. Like I'm not just saying it because I'm wearing green right now, but I've started liking green, like really liking green. My favorite color right now is orange, but then I'm moving to green. I'm diverging to green. I was looking for green actually, like on Taobao and Pindodo, but I wasn't finding like a jacket, like a full jacket which I can wear like a dress, a long jacket. I was just finding short ones, but then I found a yellow long jacket and I told the seller to ship it like express shipping, but the seller, I don't know if they were not understanding what I was saying or I wasn't just saying things right, or maybe the translator wasn't translating what I wanted it to translate. But anyways, I got the yellow jacket hoping that the seller would ship it the same day and maybe it would come tomorrow, but it hasn't been shipped. That's why I decided to buy that jacket and I like it. I like the green. It's like a yellow green tone. I really like how it's looking. Oh yeah, and I know you guys can see, like looking at my last video, my room makeover video, this room looks completely different. There's that, and there are no picture frames on the wall. That's because I moved. Apparently the school wanted all the girls to move from the wing I used to sleep at to go to the other wing, so now like all the girls are on one wing and the guys are on the other wing. But funny thing is that we still have guys on our wing anyways, which doesn't make sense. But yeah, so I have something to do and I'll see you guys probably tomorrow at the photo shoot or something. So yeah. Hey guys, today is the 8th of March and the photo shoot is today. So I need to start preparing. Right now the time is 11:15, somewhere there, 11:15, 14, I'm not sure. But I need to do my toenails. I didn't do my toes yesterday. I just had money to do my lashes and my fingernails. So I'm going to start doing my toenails right now and get ready by 1 p.m. and go and do my makeup. And the photo shoot is at 3 p.m. Maybe I'll be done by 3 with the makeup and start heading to the studio by 15:30. Yeah, so bye.
With the smoothness, you know what I'm saying? But listen, this is for you in it. I thought, you know. Oh, is this for me? Yeah, what is special thing. I'm saying, yeah, if you want the red team, I'll give you the red team. You can have the red team, no problem. I'll just move to a virgin. This is like watching my hair grow. Oh. And I'm so bold.
Across the series, we'll all be switching roles. We've got bar staff, we've got kitchen staff, we've got waitresses, we've even got a front of house person.
Oh, I'm terrified. How do we do?
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I
So guys, this is how I look. The woman violated my makeup. I don't like the shade, like the foundation. She put some white stuff, but the eyes look good. Anyways, I gave her some juice because this was her first time doing it on a black person, and I don't look that bad. The makeup is actually good. It's just the foundation wasn't giving. I carried my own foundation, but she added some other white stuff. What do you call it? Setting powder for Chinese people, which I wish I would have carried setting powder. Why did I carry setting powder? But anyways, right now I'm rushing to the studio. We have like 30 minutes to use the studio. Yeah, so see you.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side, oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride, I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys, we up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied, I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died, they won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied, ayy. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man.
2 days later.
What's up?
I'm doing a video for my YouTube.
Oh my god. Don't know.
So guys, I'm trying to call my friend. I want to ask her about what she thinks about my YouTube. I called her the first time and she cut because I told her that I was recording a video for YouTube. But let me try to call her again. Think about my YouTube.
It's nice.
For real?
What's it?
Do you,
What's wrong?
do you actually watch my content?
Yeah, I do. The mafia one, the dancing one, the first ones, those ones. Almost everything.
What would you rate it as? Like from a scale of 1 to 10.
Let's see. Since they're like, they're supposed to be mostly that fun shit. Like in the boys RSA like that, eh?
Yeah, but like this is not the boys RSA. This is Explansia
I know.
Z.
I know. Then they've got a lot of content.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
maybe I would say like a 6.
What do you think about my YouTube? What would you rate it as? From a scale of 1 to 10.
9.5.
Ah.
My friend, you're my homie.
channel. You know, the creativity. Yeah.
Aw, thank you. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this vlog. I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
She looking icy, yeah. Make her my wifey, yeah. She look like Kylie, yeah. Them diamonds are pricey, yeah. I get that cake every day.